How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This episode, we have a new product. Chemical Guys, Vinyl Rubber and Plastic VRP. This is a protectant and you can use it on any plastic, any rubber, any tires. Whatever you want to use it, you can use this one outside the car. So this is kind of redemption because the last time I used Chemical Guys Slick Shine, and I told you that for the outside, that one is not really good for, in my opinion, but inside works amazing. Now we have a new product. We're gonna check this out. I'm not gonna do a test between those two. The only thing that I try to do is show you the way it's gonna look on my RAV4. I'm gonna do the tires and all the trim. It's gonna look amazing. Also, this episode is not sponsored, guys. If you can see here on the truck, I've been working on cleaning the tires. I haven't get a product for all the trim, and if you can see, this trim needs some love, so that's why we want to use this product today. One good thing about this one is that you can use it outside on everything: tires, vinyl, rubber. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna start working on the tires, so make sure that you shake your bottle very well. We're just gonna plop some, put it on the tire. I heard a lot of good reviews on this product, and I can tell as soon as I apply it, if it's covering really good, really easy to use, and it looks amazing. You can tell right away there if it's gonna work or not. It also smells really good, and if you can see the coverage on this one, that's why they recommend me this one, as you can see. Now, when I use the other side of my applicator, start working on the trim. Now let's finish it up with the other tire. We flip the applicator again. Just put a little bit, and let's not forget this trim right here. Protection is key, guys. In case you don't know, this type of products, they have UV ray protection, so it's gonna protect against the UV rays. It's gonna preserve everything. It's gonna make it look amazing, and it's gonna talk a lot about you, because if you have a dirty car, you know, it doesn't look good on you. And this one right here. You don't have to use a lot to protect your vehicle. You can see tires look amazing. All the trim looks perfect. So guys, the same way, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Make sure that everything is clean before you start doing this application, but that's why they recommend this product for me. It looks really good, and tires as well. So guys, VRP from Chemical Guys, I do recommend this one. If you want to get your bottle, link is gonna be in the description. Quick little episode for you guys. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.